We're in the main stem of Sopori Creek at the confluence of Batamote Wash coming into the creek, which is right at the Pima County, Santa Cruz County line. Batamote is probably the most significant tributary coming into Sopori Creek. Obviously both of these are ephemeral drainages, so they only flow during monsoon events. Sometimes we get some winter precipitation flowing through here, but both really significant hydrologic features. So the water continues to flow east through Sopori Creek downstream until the confluence with the Santa Cruz River. This is a cottonwood willow riparian gallery forest here. These trees are big, beautiful. They're tapped into shallow groundwater, probably about 30 feet down below the surface here, which really sustains these cottonwoods and the other riparian trees.
Well, our first mission is to protect this land. There's this huge working landscape upstream from just where we're standing that is protected and is allowing some of these flows of water into the Sopori Creek. So we're here to make the connection between Pima County and the Santa Cruz River.
The county's current holdings include about 4,100 acres we own in fee, and we manage that for the biological resources, which are very rich. Our Natural Resources, Parks and Recreation Department works with, through a ranch management agreement, to keep a resident rancher on the property. It's also open for outdoor type recreation to allow access for hunting, bird watching, camping, other outdoor recreation. So it's not just we bought it, we put a fence around it, and that nobody can use it.
This shallow groundwater system is unique. There are 5 in eastern Pima County and northern Santa Cruz County. And this water travels to the groundwater supply of Tucson. So keeping this functioning is really important from that perspective. Also, there are something like 60 species here in this riparian forest, and they depend on this tree cover and this habitat for their home, for their cover, for food.
We've got white-tailed deer, javelina, coyote, coatimundi that pass through here. Sometimes we've even seen a badger on the wildlife camera that we've got in the area, some bobcats.
When this project is finished, when it's completely purchased and protected by Arizona Land and Water Trust, we'll be connecting the 50,000 acres that Pima County voters supported in acquisition and protection of the ranch land upstream with the Santa Cruz River. And then the Land Trust will also be working with the Pima County Regional Flood Control District as they work to manage floodwaters coming from upstream and hitting the Santa Cruz River and heading north toward Tucson.